Here we go, the PNC Bank machine pulling away as we cheer on Scott Dixon. 2:33.6, the speed to beat the 4-lap average. Let's hear from David Malukas.
Here with David Malukas. I know this was a big moment for you. Great. And honestly, the hard part is just when you're in line waiting to get going. You know, you just keep running the qualifying sim in your head, and it's just over and over and over. You kind of just want to get it, done and dusted and stop overthinking. But at the end of the day, it was a bit unfortunate because our car was very, very quick throughout all these practice sessions. So going into today, I think we should have had a better result than what we did. We just didn't trim enough, didn't push the car enough, and it was just too easy out there for me.
All right, but either way, congratulations though. In the field of 33.
Good feeling for him. Once more out of the car, he's on the outside of row 3. We're hustling through the field here.
Scott Dixon has been fast all week long and went out this morning, put up a lap of 234.093 miles an hour. So this warm-up lap and his opening lap speed going to be really interesting to compare to Arenas VK.
All right, let's bring him to that green flag. Here we go. Scott Dixon, what do you got for us? Warm up 218. 218.
218, 189. VK's warm-up lap. Dixon exits turn 2, cranks it into high gear, and heads toward turn 3.
He's already in sixth gear, up to 239.
Actually tipped 240
there
just for a second.
Just for a second, here comes Dixon. This is a good flyer. Lap number 1 for Dixon. He is hustling at 232 miles an hour, 232.750. That's 4th fastest. 4th quickest.
That was a 234 mile an hour opening lap, almost 235, and that's been the difference in the running order in qualification so far. Here's Dixon, turn 3, now turn 4.
Oh, he's so smooth. That's why they call him the Iceman. Here he is off of 4. Halfway point of this run for Dixon. Lap number 2, 232.286. 5th. Dixon is 5th. Again, you want to be in that top 12 at the end of the
Since Arenas VK ran, the track temperature was 86 degrees. It just tipped up to 98 right now.
Getting hot. Temperature's going up, humidity going up. Make sure you hydrate today as Dixon is on lap number 3. He's in turn number 4. The experienced one, Dixon, taking the white flag. Lap number 3 at 231.980. Dropped off a little bit, but still 6th. He's 6th.
That 500-mile race. You heard Tony Kanaan driving one of them today a minute ago when we interviewed him. The object today, get all 5 into that Firestone Fast 12. No one would be surprised if it happened.
No, we would not. Here's Dixon coming now out of 4. He's going to take the checkered flag, Scott Dixon, finishing the 10-mile qualifying run. Congratulations to Scott Dixon as he qualifies for his 20th Indianapolis 500. 231.590. Average speed 232.158. 151 for Scott Dixon.